this person, ensuring that, okay, to find whether this person is guilty or not, make them know the kind of penalty they will give them. Because this one, obviously, from the drama they see, if this continues, people will just say, okay, since we don't have any court that will, any perfect judicial system that will address our issue, let us continue to carry the money. And in the end, if we carry enough, we just give out enough, small from that enough we will carry. It is not going to help us. At all.
At all, at all.
It is not going to help us.
At all, at all.
I beg.
At all, at all. If we dey talk say we get 3 arms or organs of government and these 3 people they suppose they work hand in hand to use ensure say the country they go well. If it come be like say now one people they do wetin they suppose do and the other people they do other thing or 3 of them don't even get direction where they go say that means say confusion don't set in. We remember say during the campaigns, in fact one of the reasons why we say plenty Nigerians come out, if you check the OMB say the result of 2015 they go to vote out the previous administration and say they look say it be like say some people they run this government or they run the country like office or personal company that they make money for themselves. We go look say okay, oh, we won't come out, can't stop this thing. We won't say no, never again. But then again, if you come and talk say no, never again, everything you must do must follow our law book. If what you they do just be like say now only waiting you won't do, now only waiting you they take, now be say we know they go forward. I recall say Olisa Agbakoba been talking, even still recently say if government come out talk say they won't fight one particular thing or they won't achieve something, you suppose get a plan so that when you start from somewhere you can't look say okay where I start from, you go back, you go retrace your steps because you say what I feel do to make them better. But it be like say and I go talk about the total, but it be like say this government now the same people but now different jersey they wear because we are not going forward, we are not going backward. The way when we say people they take sick on a corner for our law book is still there till today. What is the legislature, which is supposed to be the arm responsible for making laws, what is that they do? The executive when we are working to carry out this law, if people don't make better law, which law would I want to carry out? And the judiciary will go interpret the law. If they go interpret the law based on the way anything they, what will happen? So are we running a confused system? Who could be? The question is for you because you need to answer this thing. Because if we celebrate one particular case, say yes, people don't go 2.1 billion US dollars. Blah, 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 blah. Nigerians need to see say people when do this kind of thing, we punish them. Or the law punish them, or then suffer for what they suffer. Because if we talk say okay, $2.1 billion where you supposed to use put for our security, they don't put. So Jaman die. So Jaman wife don't lose husband. So Jaman children don't lose papa. We are citizens, we're supposed to sleep with 2 eyes closed. We don't lose people when we say don't give their life, say they want to protect us. Are these people not supposed to be rewarded for their gallantry?
Yes,
the bad people won't put them for this kind of condition. Are they not supposed to suffer punishment?
Obviously.
But Nigeria trap, they catch breeze. Who could be? What are you people doing?
Chukudi, the fun thing is say no can they try. I understand say we have a government in place right that will be promised, or rather we promise say they will get them right. But surprisingly, the case where they say that the case of trial before investigation.
Thank you.
Yes, this person committed this particular crime. You carry and go court. Where are your evidences? Okay,
say,
sorry.
Let me go back.
Make we go carry out investigation.
Or they talk say for pot of egusi soup, meat loss. Somebody come pass, and the person passing say, "Good morning, no." You can't talk say you perceive the aroma of egusi for him mouth. Can't talk say na tifa. Okay, prove am. You can't talk say make the alarm open him out say good morning again.
Make we even check. Make we carry camera. This entire thing. Throw am inside the mouth to know whether the meat dey inside.
Whether the meat dey inside.
Come on. Why not they do us like this?
Not to snap picture. We like picture. Like we like action. Hey, 20 judges. This thing, that one arrested. This billion, that billion.
Action when we say the end.
Oh, you can't do the action.
Action when we say you go take go. Yeah, one day I have to say, where is it? Where are your evidences? I'm coming. I need to go back.
Take
a black
slide.
Yeah,
let me go back.
On this same matter of taking off backslide, make we take that same method, go break this break one group. Because that same backslide, our government take backslide, we will take an enter break right now. We can know whether we move forward from there. Will they come?
When only the best is good enough.
96.9 Cool FM, your number one hit music station.
Where they always talk about well, but they can't do a collab with a lifestyle. That's not what they call them. Nah, your health.
On top today's show, we go talk about some kind skin changes.
They talk about infertility, the way you they lose weight as your weight take be, and your self-esteem.
You know, talk about soya milk, soya bean, in fact, all about soy. If it be soya for some people, you get one ogbonge oyibo man. We talk say, take care of yourself.
I know they smell because na serious matter na in day today. First things first, no self-medication. Second things second, you need to go to the doctor.
Then don't yarn say Niger. Now you get the highest percentage of babes where they use bleaching cream.
And the show is just about to roll.
Yeah. The show is just about to roll.
Hey, this one a better opportunity for you to take grow your business, yo. On top of Wazobia Max Free TV. This one for affordable price. Prices they starting from 5,000 naira. Yes, yo. For Lagos, make you just call their number. Maybe 01-271-0244. Go reach 7. Make you send mail. Go info at wazobiamax.ng. Hey, cheap advertising for you to fit sell your business. Grab this opportunity. Nah.
The same place and the same pain.
No.
Why did the plane explode?
I almost died.
Two different moments.
I urgently need a doctor to check her. Miss, please, a doctor.
Two stories.
You put your own life at risk just for me.
Well,
Thank you.
And the same desire. Televisa presents Loving You Is All I Want. We'll try to destroy the present.
Take her away from your brother. She is dangerous.
Only this time, love will have more than one obstacle ahead. Kariem Lozano, Cristian de la Fuente, Diana Bracho, José Elías Moreno, Flavio Medina, a Carlos Moreno's production. Loving You Is All I Want.
everything is against us, but what brings us together is stronger than what can separate us.
Welcome back. The program now asks it is hot, and if you watch us for GoTV channel 98, Star Times channel 195, if they also watch us for MyTV channel 17, free to air channel 57, or if they watch us online, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We don't come back. And what do they talk about today? And we ask this very important question. Federal government will release Dasuki, and we come to ask, say, okay, trap, they catch breeze. And going by the fact, say, the system, let's say the system, since the whole life, not to, we don't know, whatever they see any result. Federal government can talk, say, if that's so, okay, make a Kukuma release or return the money where you do it, where they accuse of say it's still. Then if they talk about, say, they will release them. Chukwu is still there studio. Very soon we'll open our phone line for us to also collect our call on top of this particular matter.
But the issue we dey discuss today na very very important one, and it go good make everybody chook mouth for inside this particular discussion. Sake of say, if we talk say we be all of us na stakeholders inside Nigeria, na mean say issues wey dey affect everybody inside of Nigeria, or wey go affect the generality of our welfare and our well-being, na something wey be say all of us suppose dey talk. And we don reach the level wey be say if you look the situation, e dey very very clear. Say we need to do more. To fit achieve society where we go fit beat our chest, say okay, oh, this is a society where they build for our children, or this is a society where we say justice, equity and fairness, now them they carry first for our society. Because if you be like say okay, big man fit get plenty lawyers to come defend them, or big man fit do something, you can't look say rather than to dey stress this big man self or stress ourselves, make we just collect wetin we fit collect, make the person go. Shey that one na sufficient punishment. But like we talk when we start, we talk say these gist dey unconfirmed, because for the multiple media sources wey dem put am, dem no talk the name of the person wey talk this one, but dem talk say this na source from the presidency wey come and talk say oga president don look say this man, if una go fit collect the one una fit collect, make una collect am, make we allow am go, because we dey battle with plenty issues for our country and we really know say we need money. Person wey dey plan to do wedding, he not even they think if his ex-girlfriend call him, tell him say, do you really need some of my support? He not go look say, we broke up, I don't want it. Because if you not collect money when they need to do the wedding, then be say the thing no go hold on the day when we say he won't make the thing hold. So we go like make people call in to contribute for this particular discussion. For this Nigeria, our law book na trap when we catch breeze. I mean a trap when we say no they catch anything at all. I mean only pop-up people na anything they catch.
But one very thing we also need to talk is say if we continue with this way, because we dey in a system whereby okay say they go make promises say we go do this, yet we know they see signs of such promises. Okay, they go also tell say okay we need to increase this tax or increase this, because if we increase this particular tax or increase this thing, say at least we go fit generate money from there, do it, take add to wetin we dey do for our country so that Nigerians go fit benefit from am. If our leaders or probably people wey dey serve us continue to do it, they rip the people off, they enrich themselves. It will get to a point, na no go see wetin I go fit collect from the people again. Now be one funny thing when I don't know. Now go they do and I know if it's written now if you collect from the people. And the end, it go backfire. Nobody pray to make it backfire, but in a system where we say now continuously, now not put the required things or grant to ensure so at least these same people do it, channel their own resources for that same thing when I will provide. So at least it will fit expand on on the resources we'll get, expand on the income they generate. But then now they choke the system, they make life dey depressive for people, and the height of the price can't increase, and you can't say with that say things go eventually better. You know they work like that too.
At all.
No be sky. You know they happen like that. Say no be skyrocket kind of thing. You say overnight, we'll get it right. Now from my hand, we go start. If you start to see signs, then we'll talk about that.
But with government wey talk say they won't change, government wey talk say they won't do things differently from the way they did before. When you enter there, come be like say they no get idea. That one a government.
That is why we are trying to remind them of their responsibility.
You can't remind them of their responsibility because they tell us before they enter, say that like this they won't do. Now we now come they now we say make una all the money one they collect as one. Make una they pay am into our account now. Make I drop my account number.
No, they say una.
Yeah, because for what you don't talk now, he obviously now me now be my own government now.
No, I'm
a local government chairman.
No, wait till I be.
Now what you they talk now?
The talk no affect
but
me.
you come, you are making excuses for people when we say maybe somehow they know what they do.
What I just talk, does it look like an excuse?
It's an excuse.
How is it an excuse?
Oh, we are reminding you of your. Which one be you are reminding? You when we say person when we say you give the right to do what you're supposed to with
let
vote.
Us just remind. Let us assume say that.
Assuming what you can't be assuming.
So don't bring it to. Don't extend the fact to me.
Stop making excuses for them.
Don't extend the fact to me.
Wait
me that self.
Which excuse
do you have
make?
a caller? Oga Obiora, good morning. Mind yourself.
Stop making excuses.
It is a fresh day. Just respect yourself.
Oga Obiora, I greet you. You are a good Nigerian. Welcome.
You see what thing we talk about?
Tell him.
I can tell you that saying a propaganda government today. Now, High Court don't give order when they release the secret. They say no. ICC Court don't give order. They say no. ECOWAS Court don't give order. They say no. Yeah, now then they come out and say, then they give condition. After the ECOWAS Court give them releasing and paying 15 million for unlawful detention. Now you are telling us that you will return the stolen money. How much is the stolen money? You are accusing him of 2.1 billion that you will never bring evidence. You cannot give evidence in court and in anywhere. Then how much do you want him now to return before you release him? So we are heading to military rule.
But Oga Obiora,
a
quick one. If confirmation gets say yes, maybe from the documents that they submit to the president government, the court realize say yes, so $2.1 billion, they hand them over to Oga Dasuki, say, do this thing. And you know they can do that thing at all. Shey you know to say it is also the responsibility of any investigating government to go meet and say, okay, see the amount they give you, return them back to us.
That amount you say they give them, you don't bring evidence now. No receipt, no transaction so that they give them up to that amount. You understand? No the same government, accuse them, but they don't bring evidence. No receipt, no bank transaction, nothing show that 2-point-something billion was given to that man.
But himself never talk. Say,
we are talking on justice. So let this government, if they want to fight corruption, let them fight corruption in a good way, using a wrong way to fight a good fight is very bad. As far as the court has said, release this man, release that man. If you have anything against the man, bring the evidence to court. Say the man according to what you see. He's saying that he stole this thing. I did not say that he did not steal. He stole. But give them evidence. But now, if you say, okay, you give us money, return our money and we'll release you. That means they are not obeying court order. They are obeying their own rule. And if this government continue in this manner, I'm telling you, this government will be the worst government Nigeria will ever have. And they will, all of them will not enjoy it. Because I mean, when another government enter, all of them must suffer for the same thing. Because the way the stick is used for another person's child, another person will still use it for your own child. That's my contribution this month.
Thank you very, very much, Ogobiora, for that solid contribution where you don't drop down on top of the topic we don't put down today. And from the cause we also want to get our own view on top of this matter, how we will move forward with this particular issue. Because just like I said, on one side, that thing be this, now government they decide, but the people don't call how the people will also fit at least benefit from the system of government, also get themselves involved in waiting government, also in the decision making of the government. So now what we go do it, now what we talk about and cause to the ETA, and we expect now cause.
Oga Obiora don't raise very, very important points. And from that point, when you don't raise, you don't talk, say, if we they do things, you know, if you use badness, fight badness. If you use badness, fight badness, at the end, it go equal to badness. So even if it go take time, the most important thing now to ensure, say, you put certain things in place when go allow for good to the feel win over badness. Because if good they feel win over badness, people will come begin to look and say, okay, the reason why good win over badness is because good na the good thing and good na the right way to go. If you use bad, it just be like say they talk say person steal. Okay, this person will steal now, they can't catch him, can't kill him, or extrajudicial killing, or what they call jungle justice. Some people go talk say, but he steal now he make us kill him. But that killing when you kill him because he steal, is it right before the law? No. Now, what you supposed to do now to ensure say those things when go make them they look like say bad thing and normal thing, or bad thing good for big man but bad for poor man. We come out of our society, but what are you people doing?
We got Oga Saliu.
They call us all the way from Delta State. Oga Saliu, good morning and welcome to Ask It Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Saliu.
Good morning.
I dey greet you, Oga Saliu.
How na there now?
We dey fine.
Today, you know, press my mouth today too much. I work.
We dey try.
It could be. That Oga Obiora will call, I believe say nothing where this government will do when you go there certify with this government. It always a kick against this our government. If not, in Nigeria history before, who government don't come to arrest judge in this country? The whole judge, everybody they fear. Government come now to arrest judge against corruption, and they are still complaining that the government is not trying.
Oga Saliu, make I ask you one question based on wetin Oga Obiora don talk. Now, if you notice the way when we say Oga Obiora dey address issues, Oga Obiora, he dey talk the one when we say the way when the thing be. He come dey talk the way when we say make we look and make the thing dey very, very clear. Now, Oga Obiora na be the first person when call here now when talk say if you dey use something wey no good, they fight something wey no good, you go give opportunity for people to come again, come use that same thing wey no good, take dey fight something wey no good, and that way we go just get society wey we say development no go continue because na fight. Now make I ask you this question now. Now, e no good for us to come and come talk say whether you like am or not, this government na like this e go dey, na like this e go dey. If we dey see things wey we say the thing no dey right, no be questions we go dey ask. Now bring me to my question. No, bring me to my question of you now. Now you don talk say you go arrest judges when we say dem dey corrupt, and you talk say you see money for their hand, and some people don dey already dey talk say na certain people na dem give them this money, na dem do this, na dem do that. You no think say we suppose put certain things in place for our country wey go make am dey very, very clear say whether this person give money o, whether this person collect money o, whether this person dey this party or he no dey that party, whether this judge give ruling wey affect us or e no affect us, everybody, whether big man or small man, na the same thing na go dey happen to them. Because look at this case of Sambo Dasuki now. Gist, although unconfirmed. No. Gist, although I need to educate her first before I drop the question. Gist, although unconfirmed, they talk say they go collect the one when they fit collect, they will come let them go. You don't think say you collect the one when you want collect, let them go. Tomorrow the same thing go still happen. That's badness fighting badness. Answer the question.
But
you see say voice don't come down. You see say voice don't come down.
Oga Saliu, we dey hear you, John.
No, answer. But you see say voice don't come down. That's knockout.
Oga Saliu, we dey hear you.
Since when this government enter, when are they listening to now?
Yes.
This Oga Vera, he never talk good of this government one day. Every time when they call, you know, to their blast the government, to accuse the government. So let make me, they talk, and they say, so why him be saying, you know, they talk good of this government every time. But you remember, for this Nigeria, last time they say one boy go thief 3 meat for pot of soup where they arrest her for this country. Why the thing they touch the leaders now, we are still complaining. And we want make rule of law to take place in the country. So that common man, if we go court, they will give us well.
Hi, Oga Saliu, thank you very much. We don't get your own point on top of that. We don't let the talk here. Everybody get your own view. And we just drop your own view. Make we also feel assess them, review them, know where, how the angle will be bring them from. Oga Obiora will talk his own. In talk waiting, in feel. Going by waiting they see. And then don't be say the waiting he also talk. Don't be stand so to say where they totally bad because in they see them based on how the government they take place. If government open hands, okay, see as one do their hand they transparent. Nobody go to complain. And on your own side as well, Oga Saliu, we also understand your own side. Say yes, so at least we don't see some things from this government compared to other governments where they transparent, where also they fair enough, where they good. But the thing is, at least we need to balance talk. Make we know yes, so this one says talking. But if you also look at from this other angle, which of course is not bad. Thank you very much for that call. I will still collect our calls.
Make we look this issue this way, and I stand with Oga Obiora on him point. Now the act when established the EFCC for 2004. The reason why they established the EFCC now say Nigerians look say no corruption don't get 6 packs inside the Nigeria come time. But ask yourself this question: 2004 till date, 12 years. The EFCC, the core mandate of the EFCC to fight corruption. If for 12 years, 1 dozen, we don't get EFCC when they fight corruption, and we don't reach the level again where we call it and say, if we don't kill corruption, corruption will kill us. They don't really do their work. Now, question where you go ask. And now because of say every time, they always they be like say,
yes,
we they use bad, they fight bad. Now, nobody today people they talk about witch hunt. Nobody today people they talk about selective prosecution. In the case of Dipriye Solomon Peter Lemese, a former governor of Bayelsa State, many people they talk say the reason why the EFCC go after him now because of say they're very, very powerful for the South. In fact, they call him the general of the Ijaw people. Say now he can't make Chief Olusegun Obasanjo that time come look say this man he won't cut this man hand. And then we talk say that time the man and Alhaji Atiku Abubakar they be very, very good friends. And if he support Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, he go defeat Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. Now every time when we get institutions when supposed to do the work when they're supposed to, why even say people they come and they talk say why you they leave this person, why they leave that person? Because you are not seen as doing what you are supposed to do. That's why we are saying using bad to fight bad. Take for example, 2 political parties spend plenty money for election. They can't be like saying only 1 political party now they follow because they spend money. Why people don't go come and contact say how will not take spend the money? Because everybody spends money. So I stand with Oga Obiora for import when they talk say using bad to fight bad will not get us anywhere because bad fighting bad equals to bad.
Nobody they dispute that.
I stand with Oga Obiora.
You don't do now. Nobody they dispute with
Oga Obiora. I stand with Oga Obiora.
Don't do.
I stand with him.
Don't do. I don't hear you. We all stand with everybody we don't call here so far. Oga Obiora will call, we stand with him. Oga Saliu will call, we stand with him as well.
So you are not standing. You don't know where you are standing.
Please just be yourself.
You don't know where you are standing.
Be yourself.
To be yourself.
We have a caller.
Victor, they call us all the way from.
Oga Victor, good morning.
Obiora, Ukpobi, on a good morning.
Good morning.
I like on our way.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's a small contribution I want to contribute for about this Dasuki issue. Our president now good job now they do. The poor people thief that they carry that they go carry. But the big men since now cover that they cover them. This one when they say all the big men them now they try to open their hands so that because now that is where the country when things not they move forward. So if they fight this corruption, now good.
Now good fight.
But again, if you use right arm flogger, you take left hand drum take. If the man go fit bring those money come outside, make it bring her come outside, make them leave her. You don't use that show example to the Nigerians. So the rest ones when the thief, then self go fear.
But Oga Victor, a quick one. If we dey stand on say, okay, return money all the time, I will not fit address wetin make you steal the money before in the first place. Okay, see the punishment we go take, we go serve so that others go fit learn from am. Shey no to say this same system go continue. People fit just dey steal. Then if they come tell them say return, they just return wetin they fit return. Come go dey lead the kind flamboyant life wey they wan live. Shey no to say the judiciary on that one part suppose also play their own role in getting this thing right.
Yes, they will give a punishment. They need to give a punishment so that others will take lesson. If they don't give a punishment, if others take lesson, all those things not going to happen. So it's good.
Okay.
But if you follow only this thing now, this country now will not go move forward. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Victor, all the way from Warri, and for that solid contribution where you just add to this whole discussion.
Very, very true. It is very, very funny to see, say, anytime we sit down to discuss issue of, say, government, they fight corruption, or they fight corruption. Some people go tell you, say, they do like this. What about this one? What about this person? What about that person? Make we not even call hide mouth. We know, say, two people where they go always call. Some people will call the former governor of Rivers State, Oga Rotimi Amaechi. Some will also call the former governor of Lagos State, Babajide Raji Fashola. I want to everybody they talk and say, okay, he use one big money do website, he use one big money do borehole, now this one bring money when APC take the election, and the rest of them. Now, some people told them, if they no see, say, these people just come and say, okay, we don't carry out investigation, that like this today. Some people no go ever accept, say, this government they committed to fighting corruption. Some people don't already come even put time for their mind, say, okay, we like this government, once you join APC, now baptism to wash you away from corruption. And any other person will know they there, let me say the person they corrupt. Now, you get one gist when we go around, say, okay, senior person for our soldier, and we even did this government, saying get property abroad. Then we come talk, say, okay, they go investigate, they go do this. Nobody gonna hear of that thing again. Now,
even when we can't hear statements say yes, so confirm statements say yes, so those properties say true, say you get them. Wetin can be the way forward? Why we not carry investigate? Why we no dey see a normal system where at least okay, how you take get this thing, how you take acquire this thing? Shey na through right way, or I be okay, make we come step down, make we carry out investigation, all those things. But then wetin we get here now, imposition of a particular system where we say, okay, person go claim say he do something. Yes, sit down on top of that same way you do. They claim right, say yes, say this is what I do. If you like, go kill yourself. I no go come out from here. I no go leave this bad habit, which of course is not good for the system. And now that now wetin dey cripple us as we did today. And now if we also get them right, anyway. We have another caller. Oga Elijah, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes. We did hear you.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
I agree to Oga Elijah.
My own suggestion for the whole issue, and you know go be person when they accuse person, you can't still be judge. You dey hear me? Okay, federal government don't accuse. I dey talk relative to this Dansuki issue. Okay, government don't accuse Dansuki. Okay, courts. Normal, if you accuse somebody, you take and go court. Courts don't say, okay, see their judgment. If you can't be the accuser, you can't be the judge. Then we say something they when we say, they tell us. You understand? If you the way we don't say make fight corruption, but when you fight corruption, you go fight them with the tenet of fighting corruption, so that everybody go say everything open. Why you feel say people they shout for waiting they happen between the judges? If actually the judges took bribe or took anything, you go normal pass through the normal process. But if you don't do graga finish, people they shout up and then you can't come back, only back, okay, you don't even get your evidence, put your house together before you go raise people. Everybody go they feel say they add politics to it, say, okay, maybe the way you do and no go up, no do well. If you want to fight corruption the proper way it should be fought. You don't go use through the back door, they fight corruption.
But Oga Elijah, we get three different arms of government to say they get their responsibilities. If the executive on their own part, they fit uncover, say, this person, I do this badness, and I steal this money, and you can't leave the rest of the responsibility to other arms of government. Maybe they also play their own part in that case. And they're not going to also play their own part. Say nothing say...
How you go say they don't do their own part? No, then you want to teach them the job. They're not they teach you your own job as executive. Judiciary get their own decision. Share the three arms of government. Yeah, judiciary get their own part. They're not they teach you your own as executive. So you don't go teach them. Okay, you don't go to the court. Even ECOWAS court, they talk for this Dasuki issue, say, leave her. All the whole courts when they go to say, leave her. Now you can't know their own work past them. Then that won't be the thing. You don't know their work past them. And they know they teach you your own job. You don't prove, you who that alleged must prove. You are alleged, you know, if you prove. Then they tell you, say, leave this man. You see, they say, bring the money. Why you can't take them, go court? Why you take them, go court? Why you not just catch and say, okay, give me money, give me money. You go court. The thing no favor you. You don't respect judiciary. So the thing get us been which I won't put my own.
Okay, Elijah, thank you very much.
This your contribution make plenty sense. And now some of the things where we say we don't they talk since. Say nobody they support corruption, and everybody they do everything what they do to use ensure say we combat corruption for our society and clear the mind. Say, oh, leave am now so Nigerians be or now so we they do. Oh, no worry, make it like that. A Nigerian problem. No, corruption a bad thing, and the reason why plenty underdevelopment there is our country. Now the reason why we say parents that they sweat to raise money when they go you send their children go abroad go get education because they believe say the certificate when you go carry come from outside the thing get weight pass our own. But maybe we check the way in our country day before we know say we don't get perfect society. But at some point, some people when we say they be senior men for Nigeria today or leaders, they get education for a year. University College of London, now you are University of Nigeria, University of Lagos, OAU, and the rest of them.
The best of education.
No. We get free education at one time. Anybody if you believe say we get free education when we say just go school, they go even give you book, they go give you where to sleep, they go even feed you. You go chop 3 times. You got one time they tell us say they chop chicken.
Food, that is food chicken.
Now for parents to even feed their children now what? Parents their own responsibility. Why? Because it won't be like say things don't hard. Some people they live like king, while plenty other people they live like beggars for country where God don't bless. It don't make any sense. So if we want stem out corruption, we make sure say now all out. And anybody when we say don't do badness for this our society, when they make plenty people suffer, when they make our roads good, when they make us they get light, when they make security day, when they make us they
don't provide amenities to at least make we get employment for people and all that. It plenty. So if all these people continue to do all these things, it is also right to hold them responsible because we're not going to allow one kind of government system to come and spoil things for us.
Very, very true.
You understand? I mean, we cannot continue this way. What is that?
Very true.
Oga Peter, talk to us, Gary. Good morning. Oga Peter, good morning. Oga Peter, you there?
I did there.
I beg, ensure say bring down the volume of your television, I beg. Will they hear you right on? Continue.
Yeah, good morning, Okuvi and Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Peter.
I want to contribute for this judges' issues.
Right on.
I beg all these judges, the thing where just they go. For these judges, I just happy for the action where our federal president. I happy for the action.
Okay.
So what did they happen? Be say even me as I talk now, we get case. Me I work for one company before for one company for Lagos. So now all the workers, the man sold the company and sold we staff to the new management. So he refused to pay us all our entitlement. Now we took this man, we are taking this man to court. Now the process is that what he is doing is that he wants to use all his if he is and he wants because he's very, very influential. He wants to go what he's saying now is that he's boasting of he can talk to the judge, he can do this, he can do that. See, this issue of judges, this kind of conflicting judgment, partial judgment and all those things is really becoming a very big problem to this country. It's a very big problem. Even now, as we are standing right now with the workers, we don't know our fate because we are monitoring. We are trying to monitor all the process to make sure that there is fair judgment for the process. How can a big man who is very, very rich, is very, very, you sold your company, you sold your staff, now there you refuse to pay your workers. Now taking you to court, now you are bragging that because you have money you can talk to judges. You see, I don't even blame all these judges because people I blame is they are the lawyers. The lawyers, they are the people who is influencing because they will bring the contract, they will bring it to the judge before the judge will accept everything. So the government, I really appreciate the federal government for what they are doing. It's a very, very nice job. They should probe them. All the judges should probe them, and if they are found guilty, they should prosecute them. They should prosecute them.
Very
Because
true.
if there's no prosecution, if you just probe them like that, collect what they have stolen and what the brand they have collected.
It will give room for people to do other
do more, yeah.
Oga Peter, and a very, very important point. And
Thank you very much.
You don't talk, say, investigation must follow, prosecution must dey, and we must see result at the end. In the sense, say, these people, they receive punishment for badness when they do. If they don't do them, they can go scot-free. As they go scot-free, we go enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with the talk when they talk, say, federal government fit release Oga Sambo Dasuki. We can't ask whether trap fit catch breeze based on the way we say our law dey inside of Nigeria. No go anywhere, we dey come back now, still ask, they hot. We dey come back. Welcome back to As in the Hot. Ezuku Chukwudi and Nkubi see the inside studio. And before we go the break, we'll be drop am. But as we don't come back, we go drop am again. Say we dey discuss the gist wey come out from inside the office of the presidency. Say the federal government fit. We talk say na gist because na unconfirmed source. The person when they talk say na from Emma they hear this one. Na anonymous. They don't give us the person name. But we know say the special assistant and the senior special advisor on top of media and publicity, Oga Femi Adesina and Garuba Shehu respectively. Now them they give gist when people they talk say okay, oh, now from the president this one come from. They don't call their name, but people they come and talk say they don't look this case. Come see say the way when they go, if you like say the thing goes slow because court don't come and give the man bail. ECOWAS court don't even talk their own say based on the way when I take go search in house, when I don't get warrant and this thing get the way when it be. And for law, if you don't do something, if you use badness, won't follow badness, law can't check them. Now if you say somehow you don't give the first badness chance to take escape, we call they ask whether trap they really they catch breeze inside of Nigeria because if you like say big people when thief big money, then they turn to breeze and our law go come turn to trap. But if na poor man, someday he go eat prison, someday kiri.
Even if they like make the poor man be breeze, the trap will catch her.
Very true. He get one painful example when till tomorrow, every time when I remember him, I see the shed tears. The pension scam.
Hi.
People when work for 35 years. People when we say they reach compulsory age of retirement. People when we say every time that they deduct from their money, they save for them so that when they retire, when they're old,
they will pay them back.
Somebody, some people, they join
a few number of people, or just one major. Just one.
Maybe we speak on Patrick Obayago English. A microscopic few.
A microscopic number.
Chop this money. The case can't
running into billions.
The case can't go court at the end.
Billions.
They can't give them bail. They're going to discharge them to pay money. When they can't from their pocket.
Oga Chigozie, talk to us. Good morning. Welcome to Us the Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning. We dey hear you.
This government where we dey now, where the APC. This government is the most corrupt government I ever seen in this country.
Oga Chigozie, which people give this? Which record you dey use?
Exactly.
And you say most corrupt.
It come out for newspaper.
Yes.
Where which newspaper?
The most corrupt government I ever heard in Nigeria was when Abacha was in.
But this current one where you don't carry dash APC, where you see and provide your facts. Say yes, see where the writers now that they be the most corrupt.
Okay, now as you dey talk Dasuki, say they want release Dasuki. Who be thief now? Dasuki say no thief money. Dasuki say no thief money. They say Dasuki thief money. Dasuki say the way they tell us say may share money. Even Buhari call Buhari name. Saying give am money.
But Oga Chigozie, you hear where Dasuki come and talk saying no steal money?
You know, sure.
No, now they ask you, you hear, you see that you come and say, I am free, I am innocent, I did not steal any money. You hear where he talk am?
For course, the time when you go ask person whether they hear you now, allow me to talk now.
Oh, they hear you.
The time when they ask him whether he's guilty or no guilty, what did he talk? He say no guilty.
So,
that one mean.
Okay. Oga Chigozie, the point here be say,
according to what you they talk.
I understand.
No, you talk say government won't release them now. God don't tell them say make they release the man, they no agree. As they no agree release the man, now they won't release him. They beg the man if the man go agree bring some money. And if the man bring the money now, the man go be thief. But if the man come find them, make them give him the one where they don't collect from him. They no go allow the man to go. This one no be by force. Say you must bring money.
Okay. But Oga Chigozie, you like as our country, our leaders, some of our leaders, they run our country, where we say, they will give you responsibility. Say, take this money, do this particular thing. We'll go at least provide security and ensure say life for people they save. And the same people can't carry the money, can't put for their own pocket, can't share them. We can't make people die. They will be waiting, they're very visible before us. Shall it is say, if all these things happen, we can't say, yes, you people wasting money, don't do it, but I mean, I go, I mean, I move through now, I mean, I go to spend the money. Shall it is say they're appropriate?
See, if this thing where they talk, nobody they support make government the thief money because as I did now, I they suffer for this country.
Okay.
Then this will be like that thing where happen for Bible, where Jesus Christ tell them, say anybody will know. Never do this thing where this woman do. Make him first.
Make first throw stone.
As APC, okay, you know, see this APC government. Our president don't talk to all the whole Nigeria are thief. They don't say senators not thief. They don't say House of Rep not thief. They don't say.
Oga Chigozie, from the point where you don't draw, you don't already make them clear. Say if we look at everybody hand. Now me day to come out this corruption because nobody feel claim saying be sent and accuse the other person saying be sinner. But it go good make we put one point that make everybody understand. And that point now say the major problem, if we not say one of the major problem when make Nigeria be like say no be country when they move forward now because of corruption. And wetin dey cause this one? Some people because of the office when they instead of make them do good when go benefit everybody, then they use them, they enrich themselves, and then they abuse the power when they get. That one is number one. Number two, the people when supposed to look say, Oga, this is what you supposed to do it for us. They don't allow some kind things to they pre-cloud their sense of reasoning. That is, now those things that they think first before they think well. One, people go come talk say, that man won't do that thing. Now my countryman, now my village man, now the state where he come from. You are doing badness. When your brother do them, why it not happen? Or they will come talk say, now our church they go, or will they pray for the same mosque? Go do the other one, leave them like that. Now these people, when suppose they do one, they don't know say these things they divide us. They're going to use that thing, they divide us more. For other countries, if people do election and the thing result don't come out, they will look say, okay, una don't win, make una go do am, make we support una. But for Nigeria, if people do election and result come out, the people who win go they use them, they squeeze the other people. The people who lose go they wait, okay, when the time reach, we go do una back. And now why the country no they move forward? Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil.
At all, it no go spoil. And on that note, say Nigeria no go spoil. Say make we do it, make we collectively join hands together to ensure that at least we see the progress of this country. And here we go draw the curtain on today's edition of our Ogbonge program as it is hot. We will come back tomorrow with the Asekwa edition where we'll give them all the gist of what we'll talk about from Monday reach today will be Thursday. So that at least for our viewers who miss out now, we also feel call, contribute now 1 quarter. Chukudi, your turn. Tell them bye-bye.
We should be tell them bye-bye. I don't talk. I say tell them bye. You say tell them bye-bye.
Tell them bye-bye again.
Okay, as I'm telling them bye-bye, tell your own people. Say make them do what they're supposed to do.
Bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.